Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, April 8th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is on the dinner table. Correct. And Jennifer lives on the 10th floor in a big building. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The salt shaker is on the table. The salt shaker is on the table. Salt shaker. A small container with holes on the top for eating salt. Now we can make a flashcard for salt shaker. Please make a card like this. Write salt shaker up here in the top left corner. SALTSHAKER. Down in this corner, KIT1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here the number 38 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We live on the 10th floor. We live on the 10th floor. We live on the 10th floor. We use this for high buildings. Jennifer lives on the 10th floor. Now we can make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to live on the 10th floor. Please write that up here on the card. Down here in this corner, VID1. This means verb idiom level 1. And over here the number 43 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Live. 10th floor. Game over. You did very well today. At the table, we say, please pass me the salt shaker. Very good. And Jennifer lives in a big building. Where? On the 10th floor. Very good. Or 11th floor. Any number. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, couple. Very good. A couple of pens. Means 2 pens. Number 2, can you say it? Very good. Sweater. This is a thick clothing we wear in the winter time. And number 3, to educate somebody. Yes, this means to teach something to someone. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.